Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Juliet. I'm here to get you started with VS Code. If this is your first time of using it, or maybe you've used other code editors and you want to switch to VS Code, you're welcome. Like I mentioned in my previous video, VS Code is a lightweight code editor that I use to write languages like JavaScript, TypeScript, and Node.js. It also has supporting extension that you can, down install that supports Python, C Sharp, C++, Java, depending on the language you're working with. So why not jump in? Let's get into it. The first thing to do is to download the Visual Studio Code. I will leave the link for the Mac and Windows download in the description box. So download it and install on your system, your laptop or your desktop. After downloading it and installing, this is how the first page will look like. If you want to open a project folder, this is where you will go to open a folder. My folder is on the desktop. And when you open it, so this is a HTML and CSS folder. So if you want to view this code, you go here and you view it live. For you to have this feature, you need to go to extension and install live server. I have mine installed. I installed the one from Microsoft. And again, if you don't want to view it this way, you can as well right click and go to open with live server, and it will take you to a browser showing you the live server. The good thing about viewing live with the live server is because when you make changes, you will be seeing your changes as you go. For instance, if I make a change, and when you see this white dot, what it means is that you've not saved your work. Sometimes you may need to save your work for you to view your changes. So to save my work, I'll go to File, then you click Save. And if you want to keep it on autosave, you click on autosave and it will be saving as you work on its own. So the white dot is no longer there. And again, if you like to create additional files or folder within your workspace, within a folder, here you can add a file. For instance, this can be another file, and if you want to add a folder, you can as well do it this way. So this is a folder within a folder. If you want to view the structure of your work, you click on the outline. It will show you the HTML head, how your work is being structured. And here, if you want to view the timelines that you've made save, these are the timelines I've saved my work. You will see the timeline here. It gives you like an update on your progress with the saving and how you've saved your work. There are cool features you will see with VS Code. Yes, and if you want to get to the command palette, this is the command palette. It's here you kind of add different types of commands you want. You can add the cursor above, you can add line comments depending on what you want to do. Now it's commented out the line, so the command palette is very useful. Here again, we can open two terminal at once. You can as well open three of it, and if you want to kill your terminal, this is where you kill your terminal. Terminal is most times used to debug and track your progress and see if you have any error as you work. And here you will see the profile and settings if you want to sign into Bitbucket, Jira. And lastly, Visual Studio is highly customizable. For instance, the command palette I told you about, if you go there and you type team, It brings out the color theme, and you can scroll down and pick a color that you want. You can change the color of your editor to match your personality and, fit into your type of color and looks. And if you're not comfortable with the colors you've chosen, you can as well add you can as well add browse additional themes, and it will give you a list of themes of colors to pick from. For instance, there is one that I know is Night O. If you already know the name, you can type it. Yeah. So when you pick it, yeah, that's the color. Thank you for joining us on this one. Please come back for more videos like this, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.